Coco doing his thing while the doodles are in the water. That's where they like to be, in the water. They're waiting for their coconuts to be thrown. They're waiting patiently. But here comes Coco Loco, saying, no, that's my coconut. My coconut. Mommy didn't want to walk them today, so we decided to just come out to the lake. And they could walk themselves. Take a dip, swim a little bit. It's a free day for them. Isn't this a nice doggy life? We have the best life. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Let's see who gets it. Let's see. Oh, everybody got their own coconut. You happy with your cocoa? Yes, you are, my love. And you? How about you? And how about you three? Oh. What a wonderful life. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Coco doesn't play nice when it comes to his coconut. He wants it all for him. Right, Coco? Yeah. The doodle just wants to play in the water with them. Yeah. Go. But you let me grab it. I can't throw it. Yeah, you see? He's not nice. Say bye to the camera.